the vibrant world of toucans. A journey through their habitat, behavior, and significance.
By AI for Kids. Embark on an awe-inspiring journey through the vibrant and diverse world of toucans. Discover their splendid habitats, witness their daily lives, and appreciate their critical roles in the ecosystem. This book celebrates the toucan not only as a fascinating bird but as a symbol of nature's beauty and resilience. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Meet the toucan, a marvel of nature.
In the heart of the lush tropical forests, the toucan stands out not just as a bird, but as a masterpiece of nature. Its striking large bill, a fiery blend of orange, reveals more than just aesthetics. It is a tool of survival, light yet strong due to its keratin composition. This vibrant creature flits between branches with grace, its presence as integral to the forest as the ancient trees and cascading waterfalls.
Imagine wandering through the verdant canopy of the rainforests, where a toucan, a living rainbow, captures your attention. Its bill glistens like gemstones under the dappled sunlight. What does it feel to see the world through the vibrant eyes of a toucan? Here, beauty and adaptation weave a narrative of survival in every glance.
The toucan's habitat, symphony of nature.
Deep in Central and South America's tropical forests, the toucan finds its sanctuary in diverse habitats from lowland rainforests to cloud-kissed montane regions. Here, nature's orchestra performs daily. The toucan becomes a vibrant note in this symphony, moving with agility among dense trees, symbolizing seamless harmony between beauty and environment.
Envision the rainforest as an eternal concert, where the toucan's appearance and calls blend into nature's score, a moment of peace and coexistence. The toucan thrives as the tapestry of life weaves around it, every echo from its habitat telling stories of resilience and renewal.
A day in the life, toucan's behavior.
From the first light at dawn until the sun descends, toucans embark on their daily routines. These social birds gather in small flocks, their calls echoing melodiously. As they feast on fruits, their sharp eyes observe, and colorful feathers flutter effortlessly in play. They form bonds that illustrate the joy of community and connection, epitomizing the natural rhythm of life.
Witness the lively exchanges between toucans, a graceful dance of nature revealed through their interactions, underscoring the primal essence of belonging. To live as a toucan is to find happiness in community and shared purpose, every day new with possibilities.
Feathered gourmets, toucan's diet.
An arboreal connoisseur, the toucan's diet is a vibrant medley of tropical fruits, seeds, and occasional insects. Its bill is a tool of finesse, skillfully plucking sustenance from nature's bounty. Beyond sustenance, their feeding rituals highlight their intrinsic role in forest renewal, acting as guardians of ecological balance.
Visualize the toucan using its bill with precision, selecting fruits with an artist's eye, each meal a testament to the ecosystem's intricacy. In every fruit, the toucan finds nourishment not just for itself but for the generations of forests yet to come.
Toucan family life, love and nurture.
In the snug embrace of tree hollows, toucans weave their nests, symbolizing hope and continuity. Monogamous at heart, these birds share parenting duties, incubating eggs and nurturing altricial chicks. Witnessing the growth of their offspring, toucans exemplify devotion, teaching us the timeless nature of care and love within families in the animal kingdom.
Feel the warmth of a toucan's nest, where every chirp and flutter speaks of a future, full of potential and promise. To nurture is to breathe life into the earth, echoing love through generations.
Guardians of the forest, toucans' ecological role.
Toucans are unsung heroes within their habitats, playing a significant part in seed dispersal, a process critical to forest diversity and resilience. As they traverse the wild realm, each consumed fruit evolves into a new beginning, planted far afield, guided by wind, time, and circumstance.
Imagine the mosaic of life that exists because of the toucan. Each seed borne by these colorful custodians is a promise sown into the fertile ground. Every flight writes a legacy of life across the canopy, bearing seeds of hope and renewal.
Challenges and conservation, toucan's future.
Though categorized as least concern, toucans face threats from habitat loss and the pet trade. Protecting these vibrant birds requires community awareness and action. Conservation is the key to securing their future, where they continue to inspire wonder and beauty in their natural homes.
Picture the contrast, the vibrant life of the toucan against the encroaching urban sprawl. Action today shapes their tomorrow. A future worth protecting lies in the song of the toucan, the heartbeat of the forest.
Cultural icon, the toucan's symbolism.
Toucans thrive not only in natural habitats but also in the rich tapestry of human culture. Revered by indigenous communities and symbolized in modern media, they embody communication, vibrancy, and adaptability. Beyond their wild spaces, toucans challenge us to embrace nature's multifaceted beauty and storytelling, a bridge between ancient wisdom and contemporary life.
Reflect on the stories we tell and that toucans inspire, colorful emissaries of life's interconnected web. In their eyes flickers the spirit of lands untamed, a harmony we too can achieve.